Hello guys, welcome to Define Agile. My name is Anatoly, and in this channel we're talking everything Agile tools, and today we're continuing conversation about JIRA. Some of you asked me how to give access to other users who are not in JIRA to JIRA. So I'm going to show you that today, but before I do, two things. If you guys want to learn JIRA from basic to advanced in about 1 day, I have a course. It's very affordable. Go to Get My Help section and check it out. You'll definitely benefit from it. And the other thing is, if you guys want somebody to help you configure JIRA to unblock you and you're totally stuck, or to solve any Agile strategy questions, team questions, me and my team will help you with that as well. Go to Get My Help section, and there's a Calendly link that you can schedule time with me or somebody from my team. So now, how do you give access to a user in JIRA? Let's say your friend Tom, he is not in JIRA, but you want to invite him and give him access. Well, right now we are in one of the projects. This will be, for example, a Scrum Project, and we want to give access to one of our friends. We go to Project Settings. We click on People. And here we either can find someone or we can add someone. So we click Add People. And here we can select either somebody who exists or an email address. So if we select tom@defineagile.com. So we can select to invite. We can choose a role. We want him to be administrator. Is he a developer? Quality assurance. If you want him to give the most access, just set administrator and you can change later. So I usually do if I don't know. And then you click add. Tom will get an email. If he's not in JIRA, he'll have to sign up for JIRA. And that's about it. And you will be able to see that Tom appears in this list if you refresh. And here you go. So now you were able to invite Tom to JIRA. Once he's in JIRA, you can assign him to different projects, give him a super admin permissions, and everything else you want to do, you can do. It just he needs to sign up to JIRA first. So this is how you actually add a user to JIRA. Very easy. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments down below. If you like this video, if you think it brought you value, please like and subscribe because it allows us to spread to more and more people. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next one. Bye-bye.